Oh, 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 we're live. We're live here on Facebook and YouTube. This is, I believe, part 5 of our 2005 Red Mustang. Oh boy, the outside is now done here at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Correction here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. Ha ha ha. On what has turned out to be a sunny day. It wasn't so sunny yesterday afternoon and earlier today. Look, that's all right. That's all right. We are 100% done with this Mustang, folks. Done, done, done. With the outside, anyway. Oh boy, it's been over a week journey on this thing so far, and I still got the inside to do, and for some reason I'm getting some streaking and smudges on my glass. I'll have to go back and attack that again. I'm going to pull it out in the sun a little bit and let some stuff cure on it. This thing was strip washed, it was deconned, it was clay barred, it was wet sanded, oh boy, and damp sanded. Hey, then it was compounded probably several times in different spots to clear up, oh boy, the whole host of problems this paint job had. And then it was polished. Oh boy, then the glass was all strip cleaned. It was polished. And I'll go around and show you some other stuff here. The headlights, and I guess those are fog lights over there, I'm not sure. They were restored. And they have been now ceramic coated with about a 4 to 6 year ceramic coating. These stripes I cleaned up best I could. Those are put on by the customer. They were pretty horrible shape. They're still not great, but they're better than they were. I also ceramic coated those. Oh boy, yeah. Used Cerakote trim restore on some of this trim. For example, the vent cowl was almost white. I used Cerakote trim on that. What's Cerakote trim, you say? It's called Cerakote Trim Coat. Kind of pricey. I don't believe you can buy this on the retail market, but it's really good stuff, folks. Really good stuff. I used it on the mirrors. I used it on some of this hard trim around the windows. Used it on those louvers. I think did I mention I used them on the rear view mirrors, which were pretty trashed. They could really use a repainting, but oh boy. And then on some of this rubber, like this was almost solid white here from previous waxings, and I don't know what all that rubber, that's kind of a hard plastic there, but that was done with solution finish, folks. You have to order that. Can't buy it on the retail level. No. Oh, those things, running boards or whatever they are down, yeah, I had to lay on the ground, scoot along, and those were done also. These, I believe these are OEM stripes here, I'm not certain, but they're much better quality than those. But those were cleaned up and given a very light polish as well. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, buddy. But as you can see, the final step was putting a high quality sealant on the paint, which has been completed. It is shining like a new penny, as they say, although most new pennies do not shine like this. You can see there's quite a reflection there, quite very vastly different than what it was when it came in. Every little square inch has been polished, everything. Those doorpost, everything. And I don't know what's going on with this mirror. Looks like something hit it or something, but it has knocked some of the paint off, which didn't show really till you got it clean. But it's been restored as best it could be. Had my little polisher, got up under the door handles. All of this has been restored, all of it. As I said before, all this trim, everything has been restored. The tires, not much I could do in them wheels. I forget what he said he painted those wheels with. But it's not sticking very well. But everything's come out pretty shiny and pretty good. It's restored that emblem right there as best I could. And that number 3 tail light or whatever that is. Yep, folks, I even took the license plate off and got up in there. Everything has been done. Oh, there's a smudge I need to get. Oops, I can get that. I'm about to pull her out in the sun so that some of this stuff can cure even better. Oh, there's another smudgy spot right yonder. I'll be taking my high quality, very plush towel out there with me so that I can get these high spots. Sometimes you'll get those a little bit as it cures, but there's not a long curing time on this sealant. It's pretty much cured, but there'll probably be a few smudges and high spots here and there. All you gotta do is just wipe them off. Just wipe them off with a very high quality towel like this one. That's all you gotta do. It's all you gotta do. But I'm fixing to pull it outside. Check for all the little smudges, high spots, all that. Let some of this stuff cure so it'll polish a little bit better on a final wipe down. But man, this thing come out. It's looking really good. Now to get that interior spiffed up, we'll be ready to roll. I do appreciate everybody that managed to tune in live with me today. Yes sir, yes sir. I appreciate it very much. You know what? Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, like it, whatever it is you do to these videos on Facebook and YouTube and all that. I know YouTube, you can subscribe and be notified of the rest of this project and other upcoming projects, which I have two, one of which will be a black Mustang. Oh, that ought to be fun, hopefully. If a guy get tired waiting on me to finish this one, go somewhere else. Then I've got a old silver Hyundai coming in, which is really dirty, nasty. Really dirty, nasty. I got a few details to button up on this interior, but I'll do that after I get it out in the sun for a couple minutes and let everything cure. I do appreciate everybody tuning in. Thank y'all so much. Goodbye now.